Hey friends, so in this video we are going to do some repeat sentence practices. So let's start from the APEUni application. So let's listen this.
You should inquire about the direct deposit.
You should inquire about the direct deposit. This is perfect. Let's move on next.
The impact of climate change could result in floods.
The impact of climate change could result in the floods. Okay, next.
Cycle lanes make it safer to travel by bike.
Cycle lanes make it safer to travel by bike. This is also perfect. Next.
All too often, people overeat without realizing it.
All too often, people overeat without realizing it. Next, which is
there are ongoing problems with overconsumption of junk food.
there are ongoing problems of overconsumption of junk foods. This is also perfect.
Factors such as cost and function influence the design of a bridge.
Factors such as cost and function influence the design of the bridge. Okay, that's next.
Cities need to invest more money in road systems.
Cities need to invest more money in the road system. Okay, next.
He's shown an interest in exciting new art movements.
He's shown an interest in exciting new art movements.
Then we go for ones where we know there are guided tours because this gives a good focus for the visit.
Oh yeah, this is too long and we have to. Then we go for ones where we know they are guided tours because this gives good focus for the visit.